Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look, I'm here at the shopping centre here in Mounty County, and I've got the day to myself. Not the day, but let me call it like an hour and a half to myself. So I'm going to go to the bank, and then I'm going to walk around, take my sweet time, and spend time by myself. I left all the kids and my mum home, and they can enjoy themselves at home. I already gave my mum her breakfast, which is important before I leave, and then given her her book work that she likes to colour in and find her words. And now I'm going into the shopping. I'm going to go to the park. I'm going to go to the bank, and then I'm going to just enjoy my day without rushing, nothing. So you guys can come along with me. Is that good? Hands up. Is it good? Okay, we'll go and hang out. I need my nails done. It's been a while. Look, I still got the same. Don't know why I picked the colour. But anyway, guys, let's go, eh? Let's go. First of all, kid, it's really, really noisy. But then you get used to it, to the noise. Yeah, okay. So let's go, guys. There's everyone down there having their something to eat. And here I am, just arrived. Hope you have a good day. Let's come out of the bank. Now we are going to go. I have to go get me some slip-ons. So I've got to go to City Beach for that. But at the moment, while I'm down here, I might as well go where? Why do I have to go there? No, let's go. We're going to City Beach. I need new shoes. Do you know, last night, honestly, I'm not joking, I was following my daughter. I was going to take her to work, because she works at KFC as well, like my granddaughter. And I was following her, and I tripped over, landed on my knee, ouch, and then done one of those rolls, like a roll, land on my elbow. That was another ouch. Yeah, but I survived because I got up, and then I drove her to work. She was going, "Oh, Mum, you alright?" No, Mum was not alright. Mine nearly died falling over. Sorry. Okay, let's go to City Beach. Yeah, I'm puffed out, but I want to go to City Beach because I need to get new shoes. Bye. Ew. I like your little Oleana sit about some meat. Yeah, that's a whoop. So we go there. It's not that far from here. Just have to walk like 50,000 miles down there. Bye, we'll puff out the gate, eh? Yeah, and then you go all the way down there. Turn right, and then you go to the beach. So that's what we're doing right now. And I'm already tired. Okay. Here's that place. It's called Taro Cash. But you know what? There's no taro in there. It's only men's clothes. Okay, here we go. City Beach. Looking for me some shoes. So I can change these slip-ons. I tell you. They're slip over, and I nearly slipped over this morning, which is not funny. Ha 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 ha. No. Oh. The things my daughter would love to wear. Okay, where are these slip-ons? I don't know if got a soft, oh, here's a soft feel. So what's the size? Hi, feel size kamiki area me. Size kamiki. Oh, what about me? That's my size. Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, yeah. I think they're only kids size. So it's 8. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Oh, yeah. No laughing if my feet doesn't fit in it. No laughing, okay? Oh, okay. Me versus the shoe. Oi. Yeah, I gotta get. Lady by Cinderella, look. Oh, fail. Oh. This says 9, so it must be a 10 I need. Well, young again. Now what? No, big fail. Okay. But I like how it's soft. Not like some of them, they're so hard, it's like you're walking on the floor all day. So where did I get this from? Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so hard. Okay. What size is this? 9. Obviously I'm a 10. The below. 9. And this size. So I say, yeah. Oh my gosh. Right. Fusio Numa. Yeah, vai sabe. Yay. Hey. There you are. Nice? Yes. Hi. It's got so much left in the front, so it must be a size 9. Okay. So it's a 9 and I got them here. So it's 9 and Nike and Puma. Puma the colour of Belo. Yeah, 9. Yeah, graphite. Oh, yeah. Yes, it. Here we go. 60 feet going in there. Oh, yeah, okay. Whame me, ia se vai si pālangi. Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah, this is me. Yeah. Oh, feels like my foot's getting strangled. Okay, but I'll still get it. Yeah, guys, I got the stuff. I ended up getting me a pair of jandals with my slides. You know, you can never have too much shoes, eh? No, I don't have many shoes. I am not like that. Whai a se vai whai ai e le whawa. Awale whakaua se vai whai ai e le whakumpe. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm heading to Miller's because Miller's at the moment is having a sale, right? Their sale is like everything in the store, $20. Okay, so I'm gonna see if they got some of the jackets. Oh, this guy clapping behind me. He's enjoying his clapping. He's in a happy mood. You can tell people when they're in a happy mood, eh? They're clapping, singing, and smiling. Yep, so off I go to Miller's, okay? I'm getting so tired walking, but never mind. I just have to get used to it because I hardly walk, I hardly exercise, you know. So we'll just pretend that I'm not puffed out, but I'm puffed out. Ooh, never mind. We'll just go. Anyway, guys, I'll meet you at Miller's, okay? I'll meet you at Miller's. Look here, look who I met up with. It's Mariah. Say hi, Mariah. And then there's little slug in there. Oh, you're in jail, buddy. Yeah. And my niece. My beautiful niece. Yeah, just passing by and I see them. Is that for her ice cream? Yeah, I know. We're closed down. Wali Mafopau. So Wali Miller's. Yeah. It's only jackets, you know, because they got really like $70 jackets. They left at $20. Mariah. Don't worry, there's an ice cream place over there, baby. Yeah, McDonald's. Oh yeah, you get change. Oh, well, see you guys later. Wait, oh, I'm sweating, sorry. See ya. Nice to see ya. See you. Yeah, you take care, guys. Hey, wait, Laura. See ya. Oh, yeah. Oh, you know, I thought this was orchids, and I said to the old lady, I will go for a year, my dear, bring a little car for you. And I down, Jamie, yeah, I know, we'll come over for a visit. Okay, don't worry. Okay, see you later. You see. Come for your ice cream, McDonald's. See you later, baby. Oh, nice to see my niece and her kids. Oh, that Mariah, she is such a crack up. But, you know what, she reminds me of me. You know, we be naughty. That's because we want things our way. Like, you know, that's how you can tell independent people. Anyway, heading to, Katie's. Katie's got lovely stuff. But their price tag is a bit... Okay. Nearly at Miller's. Oh, my son's got to book his driving lesson. Come tomorrow. Okay. Let me double check. Yeah. So everything is on sale. It's like $20 and $15. So this is the time to come and get your stuff. Oh, if only someone really good at picking clothes was with me. But you know, sometimes my kids say, oh, wear this, pick this, and I think, oh, no. But then when I put it on, it's quite manayas. I know you guys are probably looking like, no, don't pick that. Who's saying that? Who is saying? Anyway, there's something I want here. I want a jacket. I'm here for jackets. And they got all this jewelry here. See? Okay, better go look for the jackets. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that is nice. So how much is this one? $20. That is nice. But when it gets down to the hips, it's a bit skinny. And you know my hips don't lie. You know, it's la boas. Hips. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, I don't know about the patterns, you know. Oh, you know, this is like going to church and it's $50 and it's gone down to Hey, $50 gone down to $20. So guys, if you guys are into, I bought this yesterday. I bought this yesterday, this Go-Go. Yeah, so just finished, got some more stuff. Oh, gotta go and give me some lunch now. Get my mama some lunch as well. Oh, my face looks dark. I've been playing with my camera last night, and I don't know. I think I gotta get my daughter to adjust the color, sort of black. Not that I'm white, but you know. Anyway, just gotta give me some lunch. So I got my shoes, my jackets that I wanted, and now look for some food. Look at everyone else. They're eating. See? They're eating some food, and that's what I need to do. I don't know what I'm after. I think noodle box. Might have to buy noodle box. I should eat here. Yes, I will. Look at that. Look at that beautiful food. That's what I'm going to get. I'm going to get me a hot plate. Start to come here. Look. I haven't paid you. Sorry. How can I pay you when I'm still holding the money? Thank you. Plate, guys. Chicken teriyaki, vegetables, and a bit of rice, and my chopstick. Okay, better get this going. How about I get back? And her kids. There's my parents' eldest grandchild, Maria. I call her Mariana. She's Mariana Junior, my mom's Mariana Senior. I hope I can eat all this, and I hope I don't get burnt. It's not guys, yeah. beans, right? Mm. They didn't give me broccoli, but they got the bean here, which is lovely. And then the chicken. I wanted to bring you guys closer to me. This is a new thing now. When I eat, not even it comes down. So, chicken's a bit stuck. They're having a hanky panky. It's good having a me time. Me. Because yesterday I went out and I took my mum and my kids. The cup has got a hole in it. I'm trying to pick up my food and it's falling right through. Bean sprout and onion. Very nice. Bell pepper. See, that's not sizzles. Might get a sizzle. I shouldn't complain to Santa. Don't give them any toys. So good. Aren't you guys happy to have that toy? Good one. Sizzle. Good one. Good one, really sizzle. Mine, it went, that's it. Mine did not sizzle. Oh, close up, buddy. Back. Yeah. This is really nice. Tasty. Cool down. I don't know. for hanging out with me, okay? Yeah. Everyone, just before we go. Okay. Yeah. After I'm going to go somewhere. Okay? Okay. See you later.